Today on Why I Kept It, we are going to Las Vegas. Is that? I know it says Rudiger Dorn up top, but pretty sure this is Reiner Knizia here. Let me just check something real quick. Yeah, I think we might have a bit of homage to the good doctor here. Good on you, Rudiger. Las Vegas. Let's get to the game now. Las Vegas has a permanent spot on my shelf here. We're locking that one in because this is a very simple dice game with a lot of good strategy involved. And while I compared last episode's Zularedo as one of the better gateway games, Las Vegas is the kind of game I'm going to bust out not as a gateway to hobby gaming, but as I think everyone at this table can handle a little bit more in their game, but they need an easy, familiar theme, and these are people who are never really going to get into board games. Let's just play something a little bit more fun than, say, the Monopoly. So, let me teach you Las Vegas because it's that easy. You grab a whole bunch of dice, you roll those dice, you see the numbers you get, and you got to pick one number and allocate it to a casino. We got 6 of them, numbered 1 through 6. You keep going around the table until everyone has allocated all their dice. When that's done, you look at these money cards which have been sitting out the whole time, and whoever's got the most dice on each casino gets the highest value money card. And we go down the chain from there. Now there's some fun strategy and blocking that can go on here, because if you have the same amount of dice as somebody else, you're going to cancel each other out. You're going to have those really fun moments at the table where someone who is in third place on a casino all of a sudden vaults into first. You're going to have a lot of people who are stuck with nowhere to put their dice that have to block people by accident, block themselves by accident. That's where luck can get a little out of hand, but this isn't a heavy Euro game. It's okay for those crazy luck moments to happen. And up front, this has got the kind of dice luck I like, where you roll the dice first, let that luck flow out onto the table, that's the input randomness, and then you, as the supposedly intelligent player, get to decide what you want to do with those dice. So it seems fair, and then it gets wacky at the end, and then before you know it, the game is over. It's very short, takes up to 5 people, which is also great for getting it to a table, and simply put, just a lot of fun. Isn't that what we all play games for? So that's Las Vegas. Another good game, and the reason I kept it. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I hope you hit subscribe. Hope you watch it again. Hope you watch last week's episode. Watch as many times as you want. Check out our past videos. Hit me up on Twitter. See you again next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.